So you've added all your text, all of your images, all of your videos, all of your captions, and you're now ready to add your annotations frame. The easiest way to do this, to add a large quantity of text to a single frame, is to create a presentation slide. We can quickly go to Google Drive, click on New, or Create if you're using the old version of Drive. Click on Google Slides, and a blank presentation will open. Choose whichever theme you'd like from what's available, knowing you can always change it later, as well as change the background color and the style. The first thing you're going to want to do is to change the size of the slide, however. The widescreen layout works for many of the themes in Animoto, but not all. Go to File, choose Page Setup, and change it from widescreen to standard. It will automatically condense your workspace. Another thing you might want to do is change the layout of your slide. I don't really want another title slide. I can do that very easily in Animoto. What I do want is a title and a body. Where my title here, I'm going to call it Annotations. And I'm going to list and give credit to the places where I got my information from, or my data. Now, because I'm going to have a list of places where I got my information from, a title slide won't be appropriate. So I do want to change my layout to title and body. And the title of my slide, or my frame, is going to be Attributions. You could also call it Works Cited or something else. It all depends on your project and what your teacher's requirements are. Most of my Animoto images, actually all of my Animoto images and video, came from the Animoto directory. So that is what I'm going to credit. So I'll say images and videos from the Animoto directory. The music, I also want to give credit. Even if I used Animoto, I still want to give credit. The music is Sunshine in My Mind by, who is our artist? Laura Alt. This may also be a place where you give yourself credit for the great work that you've done. Actually, I'll call it a book trailer by Mrs. Bond. And I get to use my last name because that's how you all know me. But you, however, will maintain privacy and security and just use your first name or your first name and last initial. Our final step in slides, we need to download this as an image so that way Animoto can read it. So we'll come up to File, click Download As, and we'll choose either a PNG, PNG, or JPEG, JPEG. These two file types here are accepted by Animoto. I'm going to save this as a PNG. You'll see it's downloaded right here. I can now come back to Animoto, upload a new image. Unless I've set my settings to something else, Google Chrome is going to save it to my Downloads folder. I can tell it's this one right here. And my information has now been loaded. At this point, you may be ready to preview or to save your project. I look forward to seeing them.